So we got degree, okay, and that's for our exponents, okay? So if we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. You need this little chart. And then we got number of terms. Okay, so if our degree is 0, okay, it's going to be a constant. Okay, if our degree is 1, it is a linear. What's a 2? A quadratic.
Cubic.
3 is cubic.
Quartic.
And quartic. And if you look through your papers and you find this paper, you're more than welcome to use it on your test. Okay? What about the number of terms? If it has 1, what is it called? Starts with an M. Monomial. Binomial. Trinomial and poly. Okay, if you do not remember, and this is like a not good example, but so a bicycle has how many wheels?
2.
2. Okay, if somebody is bisexual,
they like boys and girls.
yeah, they like 2 sexes. Okay. What about tri? Tricycle. Yeah, you are right. Tricycle has 3 wheels. Okay. A tripod usually has
3 legs.
3 legs. Trisexual. I'm just playing.
That's a D.
No, so
You gotta have it all.
see, look, this is why I don't play, because you gotta take it too far. Okay, so there are ways for you to remember the pieces. Okay, those are root words that they use, or prefix words that they use for lots of things. Okay, bicycle, tricycle, tripod, etc. So if we look at this one, what is the highest degree? 4. So it's going to be a quartic. What?
Quartic binomial. Or monomial.
It's going to be a monomial. There's 1 piece. So each addition and subtraction sign kind of separates it. Okay, what about 3? What's the highest exponent?
Constant. Is it constant?
Linear.
Oh, you know what? I think I forgot.
Oh, you said exponent? It's,
It's more than 5, so I don't see it.
it's plus 4 polynomial.
I can't remember what 5 is. Quintic. Just ignore this one. Monomial.
It's.
I think it's quintic. It's not on our sheet. Huh? Yeah, it's not on the sheet.
No, like that. It's not.
No, it's not on the sheet.
We did it on ours though, like we wrote it
No,
down.
you didn't. Oh, they have it as 5th degree. I have the sheet. You didn't write it on it because it's not part of the table.
Degree. You didn't write this.
That's how you would write it. So you'd write 5th degree, which it is. It's a degree, right? And it goes to the 5th monomial. I mean, no. Okay, the next section is just distributing, okay? What's distributing mean?
Distribute.
What's it mean?
Bring down.
No.
Multiplying.
Yeah, it means multiplying, okay? So your steps for all these would be to multiply, essentially, okay, or distribute, multiply, and then combine like terms. Okay, so if we distribute 7 times -4,
-20.
negative 28. 7 times -2,
No, 14.
negative 14n. Is there anything to combine?
No.
No, so you're done.
We did do it, Reese.
Okay, look at 6. Distribute. So 6 times p,
6p.
or
No.
negative 6p. Negative 6 times 5 is negative 30. And then we got to drop this 10p down. Okay, is there anything for us to
Yes.
combine? What?
10p and 6p.
10p and 6p to give me what?
4p.
Negative 4p.
Yeah.
4p minus 30.
Yes, sir.
My thumb is. Put on something.
Good? Can I scroll? Okay, these ones are find each product. What would you need to use? What's the word?
Point.
Foil. Okay, what does foil stand for?
First,
Factoring.
outer, inner.
First, outer, inner, last. Okay, so multiply the first. 3 times 7.
21.
21. How many A's?
Squared.
A2. The outer. 3 times -8.
Negative 24.
How many A's?
1.
1. The inner. 3 times 7.
21.
And then the last. 3 times -8. Negative 24.
Wait, what the?
Is there anything to combine?
Yes.
The middle ones, and it's usually going to be the middle ones, okay? So I got 21a squared minus 3a minus 24. And there's nothing else to put together, so that's going to be your answer.
I've got. You don't want to say it. I like your maybe it's a rare pumper or something. Like you just have goggles on. Like outside of your eye, Johnson? I know you.
Oh, Miss Johnson is hitting on the middle school gym teacher. Then Miss Johnson is hitting on the middle school gym teacher. Right. I don't know, around the first class.
She always trying
Did
to.
Johnson got a game?
He was
No,
done.
this is like, so.
Yeah, boy, come here.
Okay, look at the next one.
That's
She's
you,
like, I
not.
like your shirt.
GCF. Okay, and tomorrow we're going to kind of do these out of order. So, you use the GCF when A is not 1. Okay, that is very important because you're going to need to look at these and say, well, is A 1 or not? Okay, and the form goes A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So, is there any 1 up there? Or nothing? No. Okay, so we have to try to use the GCF, which means you need to draw your line, and we need to find some factors of 10. So 2 and 5. And 45, you could say 5 and 9, 3 and 3. Who's our matches?
5 and 5.
5 and 5.
You put 5 down
Yep, so our 5 is going to go on the outside.
parentheses.
Good.
8.
10 divided by 5, 2. 45 divided by 5, 9.
Don't you put an N in it?
What's next?
The n squared.
N squared, yep. We can't pull anything out, so n squared is going to stay, and the plus sign is going to stay. Can I scroll? Okay, so we can look at these. Is A 1?
Yes.
No.
No. By A, I mean the very first term, the one with the squared. Okay, so that's not 1, so we need to try GCF. Okay?
2.
So you got 2 and 4, 2 and 2,
All right, bro. You get on my nerves.
2 and 12, 2 and 6, 2 and 3, 2 and 6, 2 and 3.
50.
You're 15 in December.
Okay, whose matches?
You told the whole class, dummy.
Shh. Whose matches?
Two. All these twos.
1, 2, 3. Any more?
Yeah.
There's another set. 1, 2, 3.
And then 1, 2. Nope. Number 6.
Okay, so what number is gonna go on the outside?
2.
No.
No, no, up.
4.
How?
Hold up. That's a 2.
How? Yeah, do that.
I said no.
Okay, the way to think about it, you put only one person gets the debit card for all the blues. So 1, 2 for the blues, and 1, 2 for the red. Okay, and then you multiply them, and that would give you 4. Okay, 8 divided by 4,
2.
2. 24 divided by 4,
6.
12 divided by 4.
3.
How many V's can we pull?
0.
2. 9 squared.
None.
Oh,
Okay, so put them all back.
12 is broke.
Just like Ryan.
Alright, bro, you about to catch a fade.
You have me shaking in my boots. Please don't.
Normally I'd be like, break it up, but it's you.
Go at it.
I don't want
Miss
to.
Henning said we know about 5 brothers.
Right, you can't find it, right? Weird.
Yes, I can.
You're gonna be rachy for everybody.
She gonna put her forehead.
All right, look at the next one. Is A 1?
Who is that?
Okay, see how this first one is blank right here? There's really a 1 right here. Okay, so that means that A is 1. So you use this when A equals 1. What up?
This is for Kim plus me.
Okay.
Why are you reading it? Why are you telling me?
It's a whole paragraph. I don't know
Lunch meat pension.
I swear the same girl walked up to me yesterday and said,
Give it, girlfriend.
For
you smell weird
wrestling.
and noisy.
We're going to a different camp.
So we're gonna draw our parentheses
You a rich kid and a smart kid.
and we fill in the M's. So M and M. We need to find some factors of 42. So 1 and 42, 2 and 21. 3, does 3 go into 42?
Yeah, 14.
3 and 14? 4,
No.
5,
No.
6.
7.
Okay, we need something to add or subtract to give me what? M or a 1. Okay, and what is it?
6 and 7.
6 and 7. How can I get a positive 1?
Minus plus.
Minus plus. Do we stop or keep going?
Stop.
Stop.